This is PAIOS-Lite, a local project continuity assistant. The problem it solves is simple. Between development sessions, context gets scattered across recent commits, to-dos, notes, and partially finished plans. Rebuilding that context manually takes time and makes it easy to miss the next important step. PAIOS-Lite runs from the terminal and turns a local project path into an actionable continuity brief. It uses 4 Google ADK agents in a fixed sequential pipeline: memory agent, planner agent, research agent, and executor agent. Each agent writes to shared session state, and the final CLI output renders 4 sections: current state, plan, research notes, and next actions. Now I will run the demo fixture. This fixture simulates an active Task Tracker API project with completed CRUD work, partially implemented authentication, to-do items, and known blockers. As the pipeline runs, the terminal prints one completion line for each agent: memory agent, planner agent, research agent, and executor agent. The exact generated pros can vary because this is live model output, but the structure is stable. The final continuity brief is organized into current state, plan, research notes, and next actions. That gives the developer a safe handoff for the next session instead of a pile of disconnected notes. The project also exposes MCP standard I/O access to the same 5 local tools. MCP is an additional integration path. It does not replace the CLI pipeline, and it does not run the 4-agent workflow. Here I show tool discovery, then a sanitized invalid path result. Tool discovery shows exactly 5 tools: read project context, get git log, search notes, create plan, and render actions. For the invalid path example, the public result shows the call is marked as an error, the message is sanitized, and private path details are not echoed back. The safety model is intentionally visible. Credentials are loaded only from environment variables, and .env is ignored by Git. Path tools reject invalid input and resolve paths before access. Git history is read with subprocess argument lists without shell equals true. Provider errors and MCP path errors are sanitized before reaching the terminal or an external caller. For transient provider failures, the pipeline retries complete attempts up to 3 total tries. The backoff is approximately 2 seconds, then 4 seconds with up to 1 second of jitter. Non-retriable failures exit immediately. Validation is network-free and key-free. The recorded suite contains 207 passing tests. Phase 3 validation also covered the Python 3.14 development environment, a clean Python 3.11 environment, official MCP client initialization and tool dispatch, a controlled live Gemini CLI run, secret checks, compile checks, and dependency checks. PAIOS-Lite converts local project context into a clear, safe, actionable handoff for the next development session. It keeps the workflow local, makes the agent pipeline visible, exposes the same local tools through MCP, and validates the behavior with a repeatable test suite.